Good morning, my dear class 8 students. Yesterday we have started the revision on exponents and powers. We have dealt with the laws of exponents and how to simplify the expressions based on laws of exponents. The second part of this chapter contains two topics: how to express very small numbers and very large numbers using exponential notation, and how to compare very large and very small numbers. If you have gone through your textbook, you have many questions, that is 3 questions in your textbook based on how to compare very large and very small numbers. Now first let us see how to express very large numbers using exponential notation. Standard form to write the natural numbers like x, y, z followed by zeros. Okay, so the first step is, first of all, count the number of digits from left leaving on the first digit. Okay, so you're leaving the first digit and counting the digits after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there and they are all zeros here. So you will write 2 into 10 raised to 9. 2 into 10 raised to 9. To write it in exponent or standard form, write down the first digit. Here 2 was the first digit, so we wrote 2. If there are more digits in the number, then put a decimal after the first digit and then write down the other digits until the 0 comes. So this step 3, you can see the example here. Here you have 173 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. So here the number is 173 followed by 10 zeros. If there are more digits in the number, then put a decimal after the first digit. Here after the first digit means after 1 you have to put a decimal point. And then write down the other digits until the 0 comes. Here which is the other two numbers? 73. So 1.73. Now after that you have 10 zeros. And if there are no digits after the first digit, then skip this step. Now place a multiplication sign, that is here, multiplication sign, and then write down the counted digits in the first step as the exponent to the base number 10. How many numbers did you count? First, remove the first digit. After that, count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 digits after the first number. There are 12 digits after the first number. So how will you write the standard form? 1.73 into 10 raised to 12. This is how you express very large numbers using exponential notation. Now let's see how to express very small numbers using exponential notation. Standard form to write decimal numbers like 0.0000 followed by xyz. Xyz means any digits. Step 1. First of all, count the number of digits from the decimal point to the last digit. First of all, count the number of digits from the decimal point to the last digit. Okay, here the decimal point is here. Okay, so we'll count from this decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. 9 digits are there. If there is only one digit after the zeros, then simply write down the digit. Here, which is the only digit? 2. So we wrote 2. Then if there are 2 or more non-zero digits at the end of the number, then write down the digits followed by the decimal point after the first digit and the other non-zero digits. Let's do it in this example. Okay, children? So here, after the decimal point, we are going to count the number of digits. Okay, or number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So, to the last digit. First of all, count the number of digits from the decimal point to the last digit. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, till the digit. Now, if there here two digits are there, 7, 3. So, 7.3 into 10 raised to minus 14, because you have moved 14 digits to reach the first non-zero number. Okay. So, now calculate the number of digits in the first step and minus the number of digits appearing after the decimal point. Place a multiplication sign and write down the counted digits in step 4 with a negative sign as an exponent to base number 10. So, here I am teaching you first count till the first non-zero digit, and that will be the exponent for your base number 10. This is how you express very small numbers using exponential notation. These two are very important. Then next topic is how to compare very large numbers or very small numbers. Now, here you have the first and the foremost rule. To compare the very large or very small numbers, we need to make their exponents same. We need to make their exponents same. This is the very important rule which you need to know when you compare very large and very small numbers. When their exponents are the same, then we can compare the numbers and check which number is large or small. Now, example, compare the two numbers 4.56 and 10 raised to 8 and 392 into 10 raised to 7. Okay, now you can see the exponents which is associated with them. Here 4.56 is associated with 10 raised to 8 and 392 is associated with 10 raised to 7. So you cannot directly compare this, which is small or which is big. So you have to convert 10 raised to 7 to 10 raised to 8. To compare these numbers, we need to make their exponents same. 4.56 into 10 raised to 8. 392 into 10 raised to 7. You can make it 10 raised to 8. How? Just put a point after the two digits, or it is just moving one decimal place to the left. So 39.2 into 10 raised to 8. Now you can see both the exponents are same. So you can compare the numbers. Which is greater, 39.2 or 4.56? 39.2 is greater. So the same rule is applicable for addition and subtraction also. Multiplication and division you can do it without making the exponents same. To add and subtract also we need to make their exponents same, and then they can be easily added or subtracted. Based on addition and subtraction, you have two word problems in the textbook, and we have discussed while we were teaching the topic. So please go through that video, and attempt the test paper given at the end of this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.